Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can enable canvas feature in Spotify. So firstly open up your Spotify. Then go to settings. Now scroll down until you find canvas. And when you reach canvas, just toggle the button. And now whenever you start a music, it will automatically start a looping background of that artist or the music. So for example, I will just click on a music, let's say Alone. And now to see the canvas, just click on the music playing below. And there you have it, the looping feature that Canvas provides. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel. And take care.